Hi, and welcome back to Chicago Car Club. Today we're going to be taking you around this 1954 F100 half-ton pickup. This car is largely a single-family ownership history. We're going to tell you all about it. It's got the Y-block V8, it's got factory overdrive, and it had a body-off frame restoration in the early 2000s. Kind of a heirloom car here, if you will. We are selling this on consignment for a dear friend of ours. It is an awesome truck. We're going to take you around, point out everything that we see on it, and get you comfortable making a purchasing decision off of the photos and videos. But as always, we encourage you to reach out. You can call or text us anytime at 312-420-3696, or find us online at chicagocarclub.com. The story of this car goes back to Milburns Ford in Long Beach, California. Ralph Pfeiler was an entrepreneur, and he bought this as a daily driver, which was used as a support vehicle for his local restaurant and tire shop. In about 1960, the car was passed down to his son Phil, who then used it as a workhorse truck for his air taxi business out of Kanab, Utah. This car seemed to have gone from dry state to dry state, and after years of cruising between California and Utah, the car was restored in Arizona in 1985. So at that point, the car was sitting down there, and it spent some time there before the restoration project began. In roughly 2000, Phil started doing a comprehensive restoration on it. It was just down to bare chassis, cab was off, everything was gone through on this thing. So he meticulously restored this truck to its exact factory configuration, but also he wanted to keep it a driver to be enjoyed. So the truck was stripped down to bare metal. It was refinished in its factory correct vermilion red paint. The paint shows really well. It's got a few blemishes in it, which we're pointing out here. A little bit of orange peel here and there. Really nothing glaring. A couple little scratches, as you know, time would have it. But the truck's in really good shape, really straight, super solid. There's no body filler releasing on it anywhere that we can see. It shows really, really well. It's got the factory optioned 16-inch steel wheels that were painted gloss black. The bright work, which, including the chrome and stainless trim, is in excellent condition. The cargo bed has oak wood with stainless steel strapping, and as you can see, the cab corners are in great shape. So little split there in the vent glass, but other than that, this thing is top notch. Phil took a lot of time to try and perfectly replicate the original gray and burgundy vinyl upholstery. So as you can see, obviously the door cards, but you can see in the seat there, a lot of this was carefully gone through and redone. The bench seat was completely rebuilt using the correct burlap and finished correctly. So the instrument gauge, we'll point out, was recently gone through, although I believe one of the gauges is not functioning and likely not within the cluster itself, but hook up to it. So again, we're selling this on consignment. This is nice because it's a private party transaction to you. We're simply just representing it for our customer. We're here to help you. So again, any questions, comments, any other videos you'd like, if you'd like to hop on a FaceTime or video chat, we would be happy to go through this truck with you and show you. Now, this truck does have a factory overdrive unit in it, which is pretty rare. has the Power King V8, which is the 239 cubic inch Y-block V8. This engine was freshened in 2025 by a local shop here, a shop that we actually trust with our work, so pleased to hear that, when the car will come with a receipt for that work. Again, 3-speed manual transmission with the factory overdrive system, which we'll show you when we get underneath it. 4-wheel drum brakes all the way around. It stops really well. It's a great driver. Runs really well, really strong, fires right up, holds a nice idle. It has been meticulously cared for. Very nice job, really high detail on trying to get this as close to original as they could. We've got a ton of paperwork on this truck, different receipts from over the years and the work that was done, but as you can see, a lot of nice features on this thing. All the lights appear to work as they should. The odometer and speedometer are functioning. The odometer shows roughly 2,900 miles, I believe it is, and that is since the restoration, we know. So the odometer was reset when they did the project, and it was finished roughly in 2003. Clutch feels really good. Car tracks nice and straight. I'm trying to one-hand manual rack this thing while taking a video, so forgive me for awkward camera footage, but beautiful day here. It's really hot out. Truck keeps nice temperature. And as you'll see here, it gets up, it tracks nice and straight down the road. It's a confident driver. I mean, this is a car you can take to shows, cruise around town. Very confident, inspiring. Braking as well is nice and straight. It's got a really good pedal in it. Just a great cruiser. We'll get the car back to the shop, or the truck back to the shop rather, get it up in the air and show you around the underside of it. No suspension noises, clunks or rattles or anything like that. That's everything you'd hope. Obviously an older restoration, we don't have a problem with that. But the truck is one of the more original looking ones in terms of colorway that we've seen. And really just a nice runner driver. It's in its factory correct vermilion red, which is nice as well. It's got a new front bumper on it, so the chrome work on that is perfect. Nice contrast to the red with the black fender liners. And we'll just get around and show you up close just so you can see everything that we see here. The oak in the bed could use to be cleaned up and resealed. You can see from the underside what the slat boards could look like, but obviously sitting in the sun and being driven in the rain, that could use some tending to. Truck's nice and square. Again, a lot of new suspension components, obviously in 2003, but you know, they're only showing under 3,000 miles since they were installed. So you'll get through here. We'll come back and show you the overdrive unit towards the end, but you can see it there. A little bit of leakage on the master cylinder there for the brake. But again, it stops nice and straight. The fuel tank is in good shape. It has a drain plug. It was done with the truck as well. So original rear end in it. which is, I believe, a 392. And again, it's a 3-speed manual with factory overdrive. And here's the overdrive unit. But again, we encourage you to reach out, call or text anytime. We're here to answer any questions or hop on a call with you and share everything that we can. We can be reached at 312-420-3696. Thanks for watching.